I wanted to show you how to add a final end of game flag to your game. So I'm in my game away, and over here on the right hand side is where my game ends. So I'm going to move my hero over there, and I'm going to tap on it to open that scene. You can see down here in the lower right there is a flashing read sign, and behind it you can see that it looks like a checkered flag. So that is a white block. It's a story block. So if I tap here and I look over on my story blocks, you can see there's actually two types of story blocks. The top one is to use throughout the game, where you can give characters information or encouragement. The bottom one is the checkered flag, and that means that it is the end of the level or the game, and so that's what you'll want at the end of your game. So I have selected that. I added a victory effect to mine, which is what it does when they are victorious and they finish the game. So I had fanfare, which is the trumpets and stuff like that. So you could choose any of those. And then I'll click the X up here to close that. And now, because the brown was selected, that it changed it to that, I want to go back and add my read artwork back in there that I had created specifically for the final point. Uh-oh, where did it go? All right, well, I'll put the heart. So you will have an artwork on there, and then that is what they will see. And you will, when your hero gets navigated to that spot, they will get that celebration or fanfare at the end.